Yeah. So a lot of holiday makers comes here. So sometimes the price is a little bit high. But the next place that we'll be going, the price is very, very moderate. Yeah, very moderate. So if you want to buy Kente, please just see me. And then when you go to that place, yeah, they are beautiful, beautiful. They also have a nice Kente here, of course. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy things from here. You should please leave some money here for our brothers and sisters. Thank you so much. And let's come down. Medasi.
Alright, family, we are here at Bonwire. Alright, Bassett, what you know about this place here?
Actually, I don't know about this place.
Alright.
I know they have the Kente here.
Welcome.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. How are you too? So this is my God.
This is my brother.
Yeah. Hey! Nah! I don't know that. I do. Oh, my man. What you see?
No, Mr. Marvin didn't come. Family, this is all our wonderful tour members, and they are so excited to start this wonderful day of beautiful shopping.
I made this one from Ras Marvin.
You made that one for my brother? Absolutely, I'll give it to my brother.
Yeah. My name is Richie.
What's your specialist? What you specialize in? You specialize in making these bands?
Ras Marvin.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's incredible. What about that tag right there? You're a military man?
No. I have friends from America.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go.
And family, let me give you a view of our luxury coastliner taking us around the country. And all of the wonderful shoppers, they are ready. Wow. All this.
I remember you from last time, yeah. You were hanging out with, what's her name? Don't tell me. Monica. Yeah,
Good friends unite. Isn't that incredible? The journey of a lifetime.
Yeah, I'm a journalist. You're a journalist? Oh, okay. I remember. That's great. Okay.
Yes, good friends. It seemed like yesterday, right? That was October 2015.
That was.
And now we're October 2016
You remember me?
tour.
I have your pictures. You did? That's good, man. That's great.
That's what I'm talking about, family. The journey of a lifetime connects people and reconnects people. I'm here in the village of Bonwire, and we're just giving you a nice, realistic feel. Yes, my brother, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, let's go here. Let's go this way, please.
No, this one, the name is Gavaron. Yes.
What do you do? Eat it?
Yeah, you eat it.
Just like it is? Or you cook it?
No, you have to cook with some soup. Yes.
Oh, okay. That's what I asked.
Yes, of course.
What's this? Yam?
No, this is yam.
This is yam.
Yeah, this is yam.
That is too, right here?
Yeah, this is yam. So just cook. You from US?
Yeah.
Yes. You're from Canada, Montreal. Yes, I still want to talk about fire.
Hello, Banani. Good morning.
Good morning, my sister.
How are you?
You like you're ready to shop, and shop away.
Mache.
So you got your gift list ready?
Yeah. I'm buying mostly this. Cause I need stuff. My bags are already too big. Okay, they're too much. I got too much. I got some ideas for this.
If your bag's already too big, you know, you can get an extra bag. extra checking bag, $200.
$200?
Yes, $200.
Oh, no.
So
I'm not giving Delta $200.
well, you gotta work it in 2 50-pound checking bags then. Or you can just make your carry-on bags heavier.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
This is it, family. This is it. We're finally here.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah. You unite. Yeah, okay. Free looking. Come in.
So yes, Kwabena Baka, this is where the holiday shoppers come.
Oh yes, this is where the holiday, they come and enjoy themselves, learn how to weave and all these things over here.
Well, I got
Oh please, let's come in.
Come inside.
Please come in, yeah.
Come inside. Come inside. Feel looking. Yeah, welcome to back home. Yeah. You see, this is Master Weaver in this town. Master Weaver. It's Master Weaver. Yeah, it's Master Weaver.
Yes, you look very excited. Why are you so excited?
I'm just excited.
Are you going to take the shopping program? Are you going to take the trophy and be the top shopper?
I am going to buy a lot of fabric. I'm actually going to have an event when we go back to the States called Head Wraps to Hug. So we're going to make big galas. We're going to wrap sisters' hairs, and we're going to party.
Oh, that's excellent. So you're determined to be the top shopper.
Somewhat of a shopper.
Oh, I love it.
I patronize my people.
I love it. A strong competitor. Well, let's not hold you any longer. Enjoy the program, family.
Boys need be. Any omu ton ade o meka chem se me pesa omu mbra ha.
And we're gonna give you a nice little glimpse on inside and show you the first part of the shopping program where we're looking for the top shoppers.
Any picture you want, you can take
Unbelievable, family. You can just come in here and spend all your money.
demonstration over here.
Now, two good brothers right here.
Oh, you got a
Yes.
Demonstration. Demonstration over here.
Demonstration.
Over here, demonstration.
Yes, righteous. Yeah. Are you excited to see how people get their shop on?
Yeah, sure, definitely. I'm excited, man.
Do you know who's gonna be the top shopper?
Yeah. A top shopper is gonna get a gift for today.
There's a lot of people determined to be the top shopper, so you got a lot of shopping.
Yeah, we got a few people that are gonna get a present for high shopping.
Yes, family, we're giving out trophies for top shoppers. Spend them Benjis. Reculturalize your life. Reculturalize the space. Get family members and friends. All these wonderful gifts. Yes, my brother.